Hello and welcome to Ecom Premium. Today we'll see what is ChatGPT 4 and how to use it. So first of all, you have to visit chat.openai.com and you have to go to subscribe to Plus because ChatGPT 4 is available to Plus subscribers only. So click on Upgrade Plus. After clicking on Upgrade Plus, it will ask you to sign up for your Plus plan. So if you haven't got the subscription yet, you can get it simply by entering your information here, and after you buying the information you can visit it up. And yes, if you also want to visit ChatGPT 4 OpenAI free of cost, you can just simply go to chat.openai.com/chat, and from here you can simply go to OpenAI platform.openai.com, and in OpenAI you will see that you have these options: chat, text completion, embedding, speech to text, image generation, code completion, and fine tuning. So we'll be going to chat first here. In here you have to go to playground and you will see all the models that are under beta mode or that are live. So in here you see looking for ChatGPT. You can also use it like this, and you have to go for the Plus plan. And otherwise, if you want to use it here, you'll see that these are the models in option 3, and in here in chat you can see these are the things that you can use. What are the most features that you will be looking into ChatGPT 4 are advanced things. So in here in the community of ChatGPT, you will see that frequently asked questions about ChatGPT are like, you'll see here, you can see we are excited to bring GPT-4, our latest model, to our GPT Plus subscribers. ChatGPT 4 has enhanced capabilities in advances reasoning, complex instructions, and more creativity. To give every Plus subscriber a chance to try the model, we will be dynamically adjust the cap for GPT-4 users based on demand. You can learn more about GPT-4 here. So in here you see openai.com/product/GPT-4. Here are the things that you can look easily. GPT-4 is OpenAI's most advanced system, producing safer and more useful responses. Try on GPT-4 Plus. So we are just trying it out. Here you see, if you want to try, you have to upgrade it to Plus, and GPT-4 March 14 version is here, and for Plus subscribers. So I think it's all about it. And if you don't know how to use GPT Plus, and because previously we will be using ChatGPT 3, and what we will be giving instructions like this to GPT-4. Here you can see we have given these instructions, and if you see, this is ChatGPT 3, it's following the instructions for us. So in here you will see that we will be getting all the things done from GPT 3, and it will be more fast and more accurate in GPT 4. So once it's started, you will be seeing, okay, you see that it's writing each and everything for us. This is slow because of its huge usage. And in GPT-4 for Plus subscribers, you won't see anything such delay like this, because we have given such things to it, and it's doing everything for us. Just like here you can see it's a little bit slow, but don't worry about it. It will be giving us complete results at the end, that was going on, what's happening. So I hope you guys understand that if you can use GPT-3, you can just go to upgrade to Plus and you can use it for your own. So let's see when it will be finishing. And another thing, if you want to try this OpenAI here in GPT-4 and in the API waitlist. You can get the APIs just like this in here. You see in the GPT-4, if you select it, complete, you will be giving an option here, and you can select it like this, and if you want, you will be getting like this 4,000 keywords, and the temperature, it will be more, it will cost you, but you have to top up your things. You can also get it, the codes, you can also get all the things like this, and once you submit it, you can also follow up our previous tutorials on ChatGPT, GPT-4, ChatGPT-3, how to go for text, for images, and for all other GPT models we are working on and we are using. In here you see these are the models: ChatGPT instruction base module, text completion, embedding, speech to text, image generation, code completion, and fine tuning. These are all things we have already done in our previous tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this free tutorial. I hope you guys like it. If you liked it, press the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.